Okay, so our FTP server installation is finished now. We'll close it and then we'll go to tools and then Internet Information Services IIS Manager, and here is our computer, and this is our FTP site. So this is default website. So here on sites we will create add an FTP site, and then we will give the FTP site name FTP server, and the location we will give location FTP inet hub and FTP root. Alright, so this folder is like this, we are giving this folder the access, so everyone can get access. If we save anything on this folder, any files, then every whoever is trying to get access, they can get that files from this folder FTP root, and then we will click next. Here our IP address is 192.168.119. So first we will check our IP address now. We will check our IP address now. I Yeah, this is our IP address 192.168.1.119. So we will give IP access this one, and port is 21. And we don't have any SSL certificate, so we'll click no SSL. Next, and authentication should be basic, not anonymous, otherwise everyone can get access it. And we'll give permission to read, write, and finish. Alright, our FTP site has been created. So what we will do now is to server, what we have to do is configure our IP address now. Go to properties and yep, we will use the IP address 192.168.1.119, subnet mask 250 and default gateway is 192.168.1.1, 2.168.1.1, and our preferred DNS server 192.168.1.1. 192.168.1.1. Okay, so we'll keep our IP address. Okay, and then what we will do, we will keep this picture on our server. So this is BIT's logo. We'll copy it and we will paste it here on FTP root folder. We can paste it here. Yep, just to double. This is BIT's picture logo. Alright, so we'll try to access it from our client computer. So here from our client computer we will open computer now. Write FTP. Here is our IP server 119, and we have to give our domain password and to access it. See, here is the picture, and I will just download it on desktop. And this is our picture. So we have successfully got access from our server. That's it. Thank you.
So now I'm going to demonstrate the FTP file access. So I'm going to start the capture, and from here I will access the FTP file. So if I type in the server's IP address, and this is one of the verified users and authorized users to access the file, and here I can see that this is the actual file. I'm going to download this so that I can capture it in my Wireshark and later on verify. Okay, so that's it. I've downloaded the file. Now I'm going to stop it and look for FTP packets. I can already see some FTP packets right here. So this request, see FTP packets. One interesting thing is that I don't have any SSL certificate installed, so all of the data will be in the plain text. As you can see, my user ID and this password is in plain text. And the so I can also see that this is the IP address of this machine, and this is the IP address of the server. And one more thing to verify is that the port number should be 21. Here I can see that the 21 port number, because I have configured it in port 21. I've actually used Active Directory service to better manage these things. So I'll have to access from here. Bindings. Here you can see that I have configured in port 21. So it's exactly accessing from port 21. That's fantastic. And one more thing is that I had to configure my firewall according to it, because initially the firewall was blocking all the traffics from port 21 and everything. Of course, it will do in the basic setting, but I had to change it from here to allow the connection. See, FTP traffic controller. I've allowed the controller with the TCP port number 21. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And if I, for example, if I change any settings from right here, for example, if I do this like, if I change the port number to something else so that I can verify that it was actually accessing this one, port number 222, then it should not be able to access the file, because the file will be blocking the port number 22, that's for sure. And from here, if I try to access the file again, I shouldn't be able to do that. See, it's not working. So with this, I can properly manage this. It's not working at all because I have changed the port number.
Yeah, this is the second assignment for network architecture. This is the group assignment. Me and my teammate are doing the P2P server protocol. First, we had to download the Oracle VM machine, and we have to set that up. After that, we needed Windows 10 ISO to download to configure our VM machine. We downloaded the Windows 10 ISO from the official Windows Windows website. Then, after that, we configured two VM machines. We set up their names as our group leaders team ID, but we encountered some problems with uh, running the second VM machine, because we had some problems with our space, so we had to clear some space, then run the second machine. And then We tried to create work group, but we had some problem with that as well, because the work group wasn't working, so we had to like restart everything. And right now we like configured the work group on our main PC, then the other two VMs. Can Frishir brother, can you show the work group?
Yeah. Uh, so this is the one workbook. So it uh, still loading. So here is it.
Please go to settings and like show the work group thing. Go to settings and show.
So this is the one, right?
Yep. Show it from on settings that the work group is connected.
Uh, so first we need to connect this the both NPCs. I'll just show it from the system.
Yep.
Just need to just click on advanced system setting
Yep.
and the computer name. And this is how we link both of those. This is the my main PC, and we assign the work group as assignment title on both of the
Yep.
ends, and
Yes.
also the next piece next end. So this is the next end, the same one. I'll just show here. The same one. We'll have a look on the advanced system setting and on the computer name. So this is my second in desktop, and as in the first one we named as assignment work group. The same, we'll assign this as assignment work group over here too. So from here we can modify as usual. Uh,
Now,
so
now we can share files. Brother, can you open Wireshark so that we can track the files protocol, package
here
protocol?
I'll just open Wireshark. Uh, so here we can track all the protocols. Uh, as I'm connected with the Wi-Fi, I'll just click on Wi-Fi, and as you can see, all the tracking is still going on. I'll just put the pause button. So as you can see, uh, these are all the protocols. Uh, just for example, if I
You can
just
scroll and see more.
you can see all the protocols basically.
At the TSV V1s, I think.
Those protocols, UDP, TLS, they are mostly used protocols, and also ARP protocol is also being used. The TLS v1.2 UDP TCP protocol is also being used. So that's all.
Can you show a file share?
Yeah. Uh, I can just briefly show a file set that I shared in the PC1. So this is my PC1 file. as written as assignment folder and hello world. This is just hello world, just random checks, just for example. And I'll show you on the second end of the computer, that is PC2. So if I open the operating system PC1 and go in the file manager, if I sort the same file, hello world,
I think that other yeah other yeah yep slash yep.
UTRA, sorry,
We can
just
see in the network that it's connected to the other PC.
yeah, let's see, that's the one. Quick access and just type same as it was and ETRA. So it's showing here. If we so same if we go on hello world, it shows the same as it was written there, and that means both of the PCs are connected. Yeah, reason.
Yep, I think that should be all.
Yeah, same with the operating system 2 and 3. That's all.
Yeah, I think you can turn the recording off and send it to the brother.
Yeah.